Hi guys, come please guys, let's make this delicious coconut rice together. If you have not tried it before, it's very simple to cook but so delicious, and make sure to give it a try and let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. So guys, let's get started. So for this recipe, here are the coconuts I'm going to be using. I've cut them into tiny pieces so that they can blend well in my blender. I'll be adding some water, then I'll go ahead and blend it into a very smooth paste. Then after doing that, I'm going to take my chiffon bag to filter all the milk out of the coconut that I blend. But if you cannot do this process, you can just go to the supermarket and get the already made coconut milk. So here is the coconut milk that I achieved from that coconut you saw before. So in a pot, I'm going to be adding some coconut oil to toast the rice. So I'll be adding some chopped onions. I'm going to saute these onions for just 1 minute. Add some salt. So now I'll be adding the rice. I'm just going to toast this rice for just 3 minutes, not much. Toasting this rice with the onions and the coconut oil will add more aroma to the rice. So now I'll be adding the coconut milk. I'll make sure I stir everything together. Then I'll cover it. I will allow it to cook. So guys, our rice is done. As you can see, very simple to cook, and this rice was really delicious. So now I'm going to be making the pepper sauce. I'll be using some vegetable oil. I will saute the onions for just 1 minute. Add some garlic. Then I'll add all the pepper mix that I blend together. Add some seasoning, salt, and some toasted garlic. So I'm just going to stir everything together. I'll just leave the pepper sauce to cook. So guys, as you can see, our pepper sauce is done. I'm just going to pour it on top of the rice. Then I have some grilled microfish that I'm going to use to enjoy this rice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This rice was really delicious. Make sure to give it a try and let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be very appreciative, guys. Thank you so much, and I love you guys. I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.